Hey, this is your favorite tech, and in this video we're going to install the DirectX graphic tool for Windows 10. Basically what this tool does is it identifies problems that are related to your audio display and video display or any other multimedia application. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is go to your start menu and you're going to find a little gear and click settings. It's going to load up. You're going to click apps and you're going to see a tab right here that says apps and features. Then you're going to select optional features, and then basically what we want to do is add a DirectX tool. So you're going to click add feature and it's going to allow you to search for the tool. So we're searching for DirectX graphic tool. So let's just put in graphic. And the graphic tool, if you click on it right here, it says this is adds DirectX tool support, right? So you want to check it and just let it install. And if you go back, you can see it right here installing, and you'll be all set and you'll have your graphics tool once it's done installing. Keep in mind, we do offer remote tech support. You can text the number on the screen or in the description, or you can visit us at repairmystuff.net. As always, this is your favorite tech out. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.